Welcome back to Level Up with Safare. We back. We back with another video. Guaranteed. Thank you for coming. I love you guys. If you're watching my videos, I love it. This is the early stages. Don't worry about the quality. I promise you it's going to be different. I promise you it's going to get better. I promise you all this is going to change. You're going to see the bigger picture soon. Stay with me. If you got to this video, I don't know how you got here, but I promise you, stay here. Please stay here. But thanks for coming. Thanks for viewing. Level Up with Safare. Once again, we back with another video. Sorry it's been a while since I uploaded. 12 hours. I told you I'm pumping out more videos than anybody on YouTube. You start at the same time as me. They start at the same time as me. You watching somebody who started at the same time as me. They not putting out more videos than I am, man. More quality videos. If you're doing some little 30-second videos here and there, doing a little vlog or whatever, you doing that, whatever, that don't count. But if you putting out quality videos as much as I am, if you putting out, you giving out facts, you giving knowledge, you giving people motivation and hope, you showing stuff, you need to connect with me, man, because I'm trying to do something that's never been done before, man. Flood the market. I'm talking about giving everybody all the knowledge that I have. I'm not trying to hold anything back. So once again, this is going to be a quick video. I'm probably going to post another video in about 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. I got 2 more videos that I haven't released. Videos is coming, man. I promise you. And they not. If you go back and look at all my other videos, you're going to think the quality is trash. You're going to think the editing is different. You don't know who I am. I'm wearing a hat, the same shirt. But I promise you, it's information there. It's dope songs. It's everything you need. The stuff that I want. Because every day I woke up today and I was like, why can I find a video that I want to watch? Like, YouTube has got millions of YouTubers, man. But why can't I find a video that I want to watch that I connect with? I'm trying to be that guy to bridge the gap to everybody who like me and just want to level up and get everything in their life. I promise you, I'm doing Amazon FBA. That's coming August 24th. I promise you, on the 23rd, I'm signing up for Lexington Law Firm so I can see what's going on with that, man. Because I want all my people, and I don't mean my people, I mean all people, to see what it is and see how to level up in all different ways, man. Because credit wasn't taught when you was a young kid, man. I didn't have credit courses when I was in high school. I didn't have credit courses when I was in college. I had to find all that on. By the time I figured out about credit, I already had credit, or didn't have credit, or had bad credit. So I'm just trying to change it up, man. If you watching my videos, I promise you, every facet of life, you're gonna get an understanding and a walkthrough on how to correct everything, build something, and do everything you're supposed to do to be prosperous, have a business, have the cars, the houses, the life that you want, the kids' life that they want, everything. So just stay with my videos. I promise you, everything is going to get better. This layout is going to get better. If you saw early on, man, I had like a sheet coming down from the ceiling. It was a different house, different room, but now you see it's a little bit different. I got the board, the motivation goal board. I got some football blanket, you know what I mean? Like I got different glasses, the hat same, glasses same, shirt same, but the knowledge is different every single video. I'm not putting out the same video like some people, the how to make money online, then the top 5 ways to make money online, then the 3 ways I make money online, then the 2 ways that are best to make money online. I'm not doing that. I'm doing different videos every time to level up It's not all about money. It's about changing yourself. I'm sorry, my phone keep going off, but it's about changing yourself, and that's what I'm trying to do, man. Everything in life we need to upgrade to get what we want. It's not just about money. It's about leveling up in all ways. But thanks for watching. Thanks for coming. This video is about 3 ways to change your life, man. So it walks into everything that I'm doing. Hopefully you guys understand. Hopefully this is some knowledge you guys get. I'm already at 3 minutes, so let's go, man. The number 1 way to change your life is you got to understand that everything is about acquiring wealth. I understand that. A good I don't know if I was reading something or I was talking with a friend or what, but somebody told me I'm very competitive. I'm very competitive. This is me talking. I'm very competitive. So when somebody's told this to me, I was like, it make perfect sense. But they say in life, business is the game. Grabbing businesses, owning businesses, that's the game. How you keep score is money. So that's one thing, and once I understood that, it's like I don't even look at money the same now. It's like it's not about buying things. It's not about having this, holding the money, in the bank account, like looking at your little receipt showing that, oh, you got 2 commas, you got all that. And it's not about that. I've understood now that it's better to give than to receive. So if you get yourself in a position where you can, it's not, like I said, it's about money, but it's not about money. It's about information. It's about, just understanding of life. So like I said, it's better to give than receive. So right now, I've acquired so much information about how to better everything. That's what I'm giving back. It's better to give the information. I feel so much better giving these videos than just holding information, knowing that I know more about people, but not really showing it. Like, that was a different life. But now, since I'm giving all this information back, I got people hitting me up like, man, I never thought about it like that. Oh, that works. Or, you know, all that stuff, man. So it's better to give than to receive. It's better to give than to hold on. Like, I don't want, quarterback is like the most popular, sorry about this. The quarterback is the most popular position in football, right? Every team need a quarterback, a dope quarterback to win a Super Bowl or to get, you know, recognition and all that. All the quarterback does is get a ball away. All the quarterback does is get a ball away. Get a ball away. All he does, throw the ball. Here, get a ball. Get a ball. If he run it himself, cool. But most of the time, the quarterback, the role is to give the ball away. And they're the most important person on the football field. And that's an analogy that I never thought. I just thought about that analogy right now as I'm talking. I promise you. But yeah, anyway, it's better to give than receive, man. So if you got something, you got knowledge, you got wealth, you got information, anything, you got to give that out, man. Don't hold that, because when you gone, you dead, man. Nobody knows. Nobody knows what you know when you gone. You got to let people know that you got more. If you got the information now, that means you can acquire more later on. So give everything you got now. You're gonna get it back tenfold whenever you need to. But that's number one. Number two. You gotta turn your dislikes into likes, man. You gotta basically embrace your weaknesses, you know. So if you going around all day and you're self-conscious about this, you're insecure about this, and people are able to pinpoint that, like people can pinpoint when you don't like something about yourself. It's easy, even in your body. Like, you see, people on Instagram or whatever, and they're posing a certain way. They're not showing one side of their body. They're not showing this, or they got something that they hiding. People can pinpoint it on that. So if your enemies pick up on that, they're gonna be able to break you down and take away your momentum, because they're able to like keep you back where you don't want to be. You don't want that. So you gotta, everybody has their, strengths. Your strengths, don't shine on your strengths. Don't show your strengths too much, because those are your strengths. You know those are strong. Don't brag. That's bragging on your strengths. Like if I got a dope ass car, like I'm not gonna always show that car, because then people gonna be like, that's the only thing he got. Once outside of the car, what else he got? But what you want to do is, if you got, if your body not right, if anything is not right, you got to understand that and be like, all right, that's what I need to change. I'm going to show that, because the more I show that, the more comfortable I'm going to be, and the more willing I'm going to be to make a change on that. So that's why I'm posting videos. I hate the way I look on camera. I hate the way I talk on camera or on film. I hate all that. That's why I'm wearing this hat, man. I don't got a haircut, but I don't care. Like whatever. I'm still posting the videos, man. But you got to embrace your weaknesses. Because if not, if you have a chain link, if you have a chain link rope or whatever, and it's, those little, like bicycle chain or whatever, where it has like the little interlocks or whatever, the stuff is like this. If you have a weak one, if you have one that's weak, you can have 100 strong ones, but you have one with a slit in it, so it's like it's open, it's compromised, it's altered. If you have 100 strong ones, but you have one weak link, that whole chain, once it's pulled, once there's some force, some pressure, everything's gonna break. Everything's gonna fall. I don't care if you got 100 strong. I don't care if you got the nicest house, nicest car, nicest everything, the dopest everything, the nicest bed, the nicest, the glasses is nice, the earrings, the jewelry is nice, everything is right. Let you get a cough. You know what I mean? Let you get something where something is not right. Let you get something where you break your leg or something, God forbid. But let something happen to you where it's some unfortunate event happens. All that stuff doesn't matter. All that stuff doesn't matter. Unless you right now get like I got bad knees. I got everything in life going on perfectly. But if I can't walk, if my knee flare up, it's a wrap. I don't care what car I got, what house I got. I don't care. It don't matter. My knee hurt. I also got asthma. So if I'm working out in the gym, I know like if I'm pumping weights, I'm 6'5", and I'm like 275. 8 months ago, I was 325. I'll tell you, got 326 actually. I will post it on the screen, but I don't want to release all my personal information because you have to edit stuff out, blur stuff out or whatever. But yeah, I lost about 50 pounds, man, in the last year, just to say year. I don't know what it don't matter. It don't matter if you don't feel good, if you hurt, that's all that matters. Asthma, if you go to the gym and you pumping your weights, I got, arms are strong, legs are strong, your chest is strong, your pecs is bouncing, like you got a 6-pack, everything. But if you get on that treadmill, if you get a dog chasing you, if you get a situation where it's a zombie apocalypse, and you got to run for an extended amount of time, and your stamina's not dope, your stamina's not where it should be, you're gonna be the first one out. Where this big, whatever person is unhealthy, out of shape, if they got a little bit more stamina than you, the zombie's gonna get them first. Two people running, whoever got the most stamina, I don't care how buff you are, I don't care how good you got, I don't care how good your car is, I don't care where you live, I don't care what your situation was years ago. If your stamina is your weakest link, if your stamina, if your body, your health is your weakest link, you're the first one to go. It doesn't matter about the house, the car, the job, the bed, the TV, all that stuff is out the window if your body not right, if your health is not right. So you got to get all facets of your life dope. Don't focus on one. Don't focus on what you like. You got to focus on everything that you hate, because that's what's going to hold you down. That's what's going to keep you back. That's going to get you captured by the zombies. You know, so basically embrace your weaknesses. You gotta, everything that you don't like about yourself, everything you think somebody can pinpoint, everything you self-conscious about, insecure about, you gotta make that, you gotta bring it to the forefront. You know what I mean? Like, have you guys ever seen 8 Mile? Like 8 Mile, the movie with Eminem, when he's, it's like a biopic or a documentary, autobiography, whatever you want to call it. We're at the end where he was rapping, and they're doing like a battle rap where they basically talk about each other, in like a competitive, freestyle rap battle fashion. And the goal is to make the other person feel bad, get the audience going or whatever. What Eminem did was, he knew somebody else was a good rapper, whatever. His rap was all about himself. He talked about living in a trailer. He talked about this. He talked about his boy having a relationship with his girl. Everything that would be sensationalized, somebody else said about to him. He brought it out himself, and it was like, what can the person say? Nobody can say anything if you know everything about you. Your weaknesses, if you embrace your weaknesses, you're stronger. You're strong. It don't matter. You're stronger. So that's number 2. That's number 2. I know I'm going online. I know I said it was going to be a short video, but whatever. I hope you guys listen. I hope you guys feel it. I don't know if I'm going to put music in the background so you can like hear some music or whatever. I don't know. It don't matter. Whatever. Let's go. Sorry, I'm looking. I told you I write. If you look at my last videos, I told you I still write things down. I still got a pen and paper. I still got, multiple pages of things. I don't know if you see it. Can you see it? Is it focusing? I don't know. I got multiple pages of stuff that I still write down. I still write down stuff. But anyway, number 3 is you still got to learn. Even if you got everything in your life is going great, even if you got the nicest business, you think you know everything, you got, you do affiliate marketing, you do Amazon FBA, you do drop shipping, you do Shopify, you do full websites, you do retail arbitrage, you do anything. You post, Facebook videos for the Creative Commons or whatever, so you can download the videos or whatever. If anything you do in life, you got to still learn more about it. You got to learn more about that, because you're not an expert, and you got to learn more about something else that ties in so you can create everything. There's nobody on YouTube right now. There's nobody who's balling, who's rich, who's doing everything that you want in life on YouTube, that started from YouTube, who's doing the same thing that they started with years ago. There's no person. Gary V, you can talk about Ty Lopez, you can talk about, CJ So Cool, who's a YouTuber, one of my favorite YouTubers in Vegas. You can talk about Tall God Car Reviews, shout out to him. I'm gonna post him in the description. You can talk about Mr. Organic, you can talk about Stradman, you can talk about, unless you're doing something that's really focused on something specific and you just roll with that and you just don't care about getting large. Tanner J. Fox. Everybody started doing something and they pivoted because they gotta learn. You gotta keep learning, because it's gonna die out eventually. It's only so long. Like I'm a single guy right now, and I've had multiple women in my life. And the first month is like, man, I love her. She's the greatest thing ever. Like I can't change. I changed my whole life to be around. Like I could see 6 months down the road, it's like a year down the road, it's like. Unless you found the one you really in love with, it's like it's gonna come to a point where things is gonna get regular. You don't want to get regular. You always gotta learn. If you're in that relationship, you gotta learn how to mix it up. You gotta learn how to take trips. You gotta learn how to read with each other. You gotta learn how to, if you want to have kids, you guys gotta learn about having kids. You gotta keep your cousins, your nieces, your nephews, to see how that is, how you guys connect. If you guys just keep doing the same thing, waking up, having sex, going to work, coming back home, that's gonna get boring. That's gonna get boring. I'm promise it's gonna get boring. I've tried it. It's gonna get boring. I don't care how much you guys love each other at the beginning. It's a wrap. So you got to continue to learn. You got to continue, instead of learn what I said, you got to evolve. You got to be able to change and pivot and do what you need to do to stay progressive and stay positive. You got to be able to not look back. You don't want to, I always look at businesses like Blockbuster. like, I don't know how old you guys are. I'm you know, I'm a little older or whatever. So I remember growing up with Blockbuster Hollywood Video. And I thought they were going to be around for forever. People are going to always watch videos. Like, you can always pick up a video and you know what I mean? Like, watch it. And it's always going to be a need for entertainment in that capacity. Where's Blockbuster now? They didn't pivot. They were the largest Blockbuster, you know, video chain in the world. And what happened? Netflix came. Nah, forget it. Nobody's gonna watch their movies on the computer, mailing videos. Nobody cares about that. Redbox came. Nah, we couldn't. Nah, we can buy it, but nah, we don't want to buy it. Whatever. We're just gonna keep our stores. Where they at now? Where they at now? Where they at now? Amazon came, took out Toys R Us. You know, Amazon came out, took out Circuit City. Internet came and took out, you know, like I was looking at places and you know, I was looking at rental places or whatever to look at, you know, rentals. And it was a website. I'm not gonna plug it, whatever, because I don't know how big this video is gonna be. Hopefully it's large. But I was looking at, you know, different places, and there was a huge conglomerate rental property management in my area where, when you look at places in you can see all the places in your area. You can see how much they are, square footage, pictures inside, everything. And this is the kicker: you can schedule a self tour. All the houses are smart, so you can schedule a self tour. So what does that do? That means the rental agent, the person who like drives around and takes you to different places. I know you're still a realtor. If you're buying a house, it's different. But if you're looking at rental places where they get $300, $400, $500 if you rent the place that they're showing you, where are they at? They're not here anymore, because I can schedule that by myself. I don't have somebody behind me watching me. Oh yeah, don't stand here. We got about 5 minutes in here, 10 minutes in here. Don't look at that. Don't look over here. No, man. I went to the website. I picked 3 houses in my area. I want to see this one at 5. I want to see this one at 6. I want to see this one at 7. And that was a wrap. They gave me the code on my phone. They text me. I was able to go to the house, open the door, you know, with the little keypad or whatever. And I went to the house and I was able to stay in there an hour. I was able to look in rooms 3 times. I was able to look in the bathroom 2 times. I was able to go to the garage, open the door up and down a couple times to make sure that was dope. I was able to, you know what I mean? Like, I was able to bring my dog or whatever and see how my dog would fit outside. I was able to take measurements in here. And it was a totally different experience. And the thing is, that helps out me, the consumer, but that screws over the person who was making a living on showing these places. Where do they go? The internet's changing everything, man. So you got to be able to evolve. If you one of those places where, man, I'm a rental agent, I'm showing 20 houses a week or whatever, and I'm getting $300, $500 for each one. I got a good living. I'm good. I'm balling. That shit can change immediately, and that shit is changing. You know, that's just one side of everything that's just changing with the internet. So once again, 3 ways to change your life. Hopefully, let me get a recap. Let me get a recap real quick, because I kind of forgot. Number 1, it's better to give than receive. 2, turn your likes into dislikes. Embrace your weaknesses. Number 3, evolve, learn, keep it going, be progressive, keep it going. Let's go. Let's level up with Safare. Thank you for watching this. I love you. Subscribe, like, share this, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, and tell them to tell a friend. Let's go. Let's get it. Level up in everything in life. Comment down below. I'm here every day. 3 hours, 4 hours is going to be another video. Same shirt, same hat, same glasses. Maybe I'm wearing my contacts. I don't know. But let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.